How to wash your hands using the World Health Organization's method. Wet your hands. Use enough soap to cover both hands entirely. Rub your hands palm to palm.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Rinse your hands with water. Dry your hands with a clean towel. If you are in public, remember to open the tap with a single-use towel, throw it away, dry your hands with a new single-use towel, close the tap with it, and throw that away too. Your hands are now clean and safe.